So we'll cordon off this area on this side. So dormitory, we renovate the whole thing. So this is where the students will be sent. The top floor students will be sent. Send that out. It's totally demolished. The others was we could do. Then
when I inquired about this building,
the room is done, so we can show you there. Totally new. This one. Those two sets. One, two. Double stroke. Up and down. So what we did.
so all the domes are okay? All the domes are okay.
All domes are okay. Except for this one's upstairs, they're saying the whole thing was demolished. Whole thing was demolished. So then we fix it. All this so okay, renovated. Was baru Macau. Then it's been clean.
Oh,
Tuh.
hey, on to go. On to go. Where's even boiler room? Another one. If I have time next week, I want to come and see this facility again, especially this one.
That was school already. Let's book. Okay.